Hi, welcome to Crazy Turtle's Kitchen, and today I have a dilemma, and I'm pretty sure some of you have faced this one as well. According to my family, these are inedible, so I have a choice today. I do not like to throw out food, so I have made banana bread and banana muffins, but today I'd like to treat you to my favorite banana cake recipe. So I'll meet you back at the mixer in just a little bit. All right, so to make this delicious banana cake, I have my softened butter. I'm going to beat it for a minute on high. So that's all scraped down, and I'm going to add my mixture of brown sugar and granulated sugar. And then we're just going to mix that together for about 2 minutes. I'm getting kind of messy with my butter. See if I can get all that back in. I know what's so yummy about butter, but it just smells so good. It makes me hungry. I have 3 eggs and some vanilla. I'm just going to meet this on medium low. Again, this is an easy cake to make. I just like to beat or scrape down the sides after each addition. It helps. We're going to add the bananas next. Those bananas that somehow mysteriously were not eaten. And from here on out, I will be adding in 3 batches the flour mixture, which I have the salt, the flour, baking soda, baking powder, and I added nutmeg. You can choose to do cinnamon if you like. And I'm using almond milk in this case because we just don't really have milk around the house, regular milk. So I'm going to do this, get the batter ready, and then I will meet you and fill up our cake pan. I have sprayed my 9x13 pan with just a non-stick cooking spray, and I'm going to pour this moist and luscious mix. My oven is preheating for at 350 degrees. I will bake between 45 to 50 minutes. Again, I like to give general baking instructions. I just, because everybody's oven is a little bit different, you hopefully know the ins and outs. But again, you do want this cake to have the center to be cooked. So if you put a toothpick in or something and as it comes out clean, you can remove it. And upon removing, I'd like to let it cool for about 45 minutes. I will show you a frosting option afterwards. Yum. But again, if this cake is getting a little bit too brown, you can always put a little bit of aluminum foil over the top. So I will see you in a little while with our final deliciousness. Oh, I hope you can see how moist and delicious this looks. I ended up doing this about 48 minutes, and it was done perfectly. So I've let my cake cool. It is lovely on its own. You could probably put a cream cheese frosting. I've also done it kind of with a little bit of a light marshmallow kind of cooked frosting. But today I kind of wanted to experiment with a caramel frosting that I have here, and I'll link to my recipe in the comments and or in the description because this is a little bit of Bananas Foster's inspired, which is another idea for me to make a video for leftover banana uses. And if you've never had Bananas Foster's, it is their caramelized bananas in the skillet with some sugar. Wonderful, kind of on their own, drizzled over ice cream. Oh, lots of other uses. So I will have to do that the next time we have bananas. And maybe I'm actually encouraging the leftover bananas as I realize that, because I'm making all kinds of desserts if people are not eating the bananas. But hey, it's fun and just so delicious. Thank you so much for tuning into Crazy Turtle's Kitchen as I kind of did a little bit of experiment and shared with you a favorite recipe of mine. I hope to see you again soon. Take care.